We at Powersplit International thought it would be fitting to start this demonstration video with the processing of the faceboard to show how powerful and quick the double vertical splitter with conveyor goes through wood. We would like to specify that a faceboard, also known as a rick, are terms that express a volume of firewood equal to 4 feet by 8 feet by 16 inches of stacked firewood. We will be timing this processing sequence. We invite you to do the same. The operators will be using a 2-way wedge and a 4-way wedge for this demonstration. We at Powersplit International have studied the firewood industry and have, with our findings, built what we believe to be the best wood splitter in the world. The major problem associated with firewood production is time. Whether it be the season for splitting is too short, your firewood business is a sideline, thus having a limited amount of time to split, or having unproductive equipment that lengthens production time. Everything seems to revolve around time. So when Powersplit International started to design wood splitters, our main goal was to save the firewood producer as much time as possible. We started by making our wood splitters ultra fast with a 5-second cycle time. We then proceeded to ensure a minimum of 26 tons of power per ram, enabling it to split any kind of wood. We then engineered the best splitting wedges on the market. With their unique dimensions and splitting angle, the wedges will split the logs without having to go the full way through, thus reducing splitting time and rising productivity. Our research showed that most firewood producers have 2 people operating a single splitter. We at Powersplit International designed and built a double splitter so that each worker could operate a splitter and still be in a position to help the others if need be. We then realized that throwing the wood by hand into piles was a waste of time and energy. We also realized that a conveyor meant that you had to deal with 2 separate pieces of equipment when the need to move the equipment around arose. Powersplit International then revolutionized the wood splitter by designing a unit with 2 splitters and a conveyor in the middle, all of which is attached to a frame, thus minimizing the hassle of moving the equipment around. Instead of moving 2 splitters and 2 conveyors, totaling 4 pieces of equipment, you only need to move 1. The next issue was the actual moving of the equipment. Most firewood producers use a tractor or bobcat to push or pull their splitters and conveyors around. This takes a lot of time that could be used to split firewood. Powersplit International decided to make our splitters self-propelled, so that if you need to move the splitter 2 feet, no problem. 50 feet, 100, 500 feet, no problem. Just hit the lever and drive it wherever you want. From there came our motto: stop bringing the wood to the splitter, start bringing the splitter to the wood. In the test you are witnessing, we are using a 2-way and 4-way wedge. Had we used 2 4-way wedges, the production time would have dropped considerably. Also note the position in which the workers are working. Their backs are straight, and with the wood hooks, we have basically eliminated bending over. This machine was designed with the workers in mind. A comfortable worker is a faster worker and a more productive worker. This is the future of commercial wood burning.